hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up your Authy application. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To set up the Authy application, download it from your device's App Store or Play Store right over here. I'm just going to go ahead and search for Authy. Simply go ahead and click on the first application right over here and download and install it and click on open. Once you've done that, enter your phone number to receive a verification code via SMS, and it will simply go ahead and register your number, and you can also optionally add your email. To add an account, all you need to do is simply go ahead into the application itself. On the account itself, go ahead into the security settings and enable two-factor authentication, and then all you need to do is click on this plus icon, click on scan QR code, and then simply go ahead and scan the QR code provided by your service. Right, once you've done that, your account is going to be set up, and it's going to look something like this, where you're going to be receiving codes every couple of seconds, which you can use to go ahead and log in into your account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.